Hi everybody, Paul here again. In this video, I'm going to show a common problem that causes washing machines to leak and how to easily fix it. So stay tuned. First, remove the front panel bottom screws located here and here. Once the two screws have been removed, tilt the bottom of the panel outward and upward until it fully releases. Next, remove the two top panel screws, which will be located on the inside, here and here. You'll also need to remove this bleach tube. Once the two screws have been removed, tilt the front of the panel upward and back until it stops. There's no need to remove the top panel. Now you can gain full access to the inside of the machine. The most common cause of an internal leak on a washing machine is due to either a damaged drain hose, a disconnected drain hose, or a clogged drain hose. However, another very common cause is due to the failure of a part called a siphon brake, like you see here, located by the outer drain hose at the top of the machine. The siphon brake simply prevents the siphoning of dirty water back into the washing machine tub. The way to tell if the siphon brake has failed is you'll have water leaking out of the top of the siphon brake onto the floor only during the spin cycle when the machine is discharging water. I'm going to add some water to the tub and then run it on the spin cycle so you can see the leak. As you can see, water is leaking out of the top of the siphon brake and needs to be replaced. Before replacing the siphon brake, be sure to first unplug the power cord. To remove the siphon brake, tilt the lid back down and move the machine away from the wall so that you can gain access to the back of the machine to remove these four fasteners holding the siphon brake. Simply pivot the drain hose, which will allow you to gain access to this screw. Now you can tilt the lid back up to gain access to the siphon brake on the inside. Be sure to use the correct model number when ordering the new siphon brake, which will usually be located on the top of the machine. This is the new siphon brake kit. It also comes with a clamp and a washer. I purchased this at repairclinic.com for $35. Now you can gain access to the siphon brake and install the new one. Some clamps holding the siphon brake are factory crimped like this one, so you'll have to cut it off. Now twist the old siphon brake off. To install the new siphon brake, first install the new hose clamp. Next, install the new siphon brake. The siphon brake will install a lot easier if you first wet both mating surfaces. Before tightening the hose clamp, be sure the siphon brake is installed back onto the hose so that the back of the siphon brake faces the back of the machine without the hose being twisted. Now you can tighten the hose clamp. Next, reinstall the new washer. Next, fasten the siphon brake back onto the machine by holding the siphon brake in place with one hand and reinstalling the four fasteners on the back of the machine with the other hand. I just added some water to the tub again and now it's on the spin cycle. As you can see, the siphon brake is completely dry, so it's fixed. Next, reattach your bleach tube. Now you can reinstall the fasteners to the top panel and the front panel, and you're done. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. Okay, Sparky, wave.